Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to copy a link of your highlight from your Instagram page on the Instagram. So if you want to share a highlight to a specific person, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you need to first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and tap on your profile view here at the bottom right. This will take you to your profile page. Now let's say, for example, you have all these highlights. However, you want to share this best story highlight, which is right here. So if you want to share this as a link to someone on maybe Message, WhatsApp, or maybe iMessage, go ahead and long press on that highlight. From here, tap on copy link. Now, once you do this, tap home and then go ahead and tap on a message. And now you can go ahead and paste that message. And now you can go ahead and paste that link in that message and then send it off. So now that person will be able to just tap on that link and will be directed to your highlight. So there you go, guys. That is how to get a highlight link from your Instagram page on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.